We are back here on Carolina Women, and Erin and I, you had a great suggestion. Carolina Women and?
Men on the couch.
I think that's wonderful.
I can't take credit for that.
I know, that's a Larry and Mike thing.
No, actually it was Men on the Couch and Carolina Women.
Got it backwards.
Now we might have to talk about that. Anyway, you've got an interesting guest for us to
I'm
chat
very
with
excited
today.
about it.
Me
Yeah.
too.
TMervosh is the general manager of Cat Island, and Cat Island was a golf course many, many years ago, and then went through some transitions, and now your team has come in and taken it over. And tell us a little bit about what you've done.
Well, you know, Cat Island has been closed for a number of years, like you said, and our group called Resort Development Partners bought the club, closed on it last June 2022.
Oh wow, just.
And we restored the golf course back to its original design and original conditioning. And we renovated the clubhouse, and we started selling memberships. It's a private club. We've been very, very excited and thrilled with the results so far, and we just keep growing.
Michael's been so excited about having you come and visit and share with us a little bit about what we can expect.
Well, yeah, and we want to talk about how do people, you know, what are the benefits of being a member there, and then how do people become members?
Well, you know, anyone can join Cat Island. You know, it's not just for the residents of Cat Island. So we have members from all over Beaufort, from all over the state, and all over the country. We have different levels of membership, and we have golf members that have all the amenities. We have a golf course, a beautiful pool, tennis courts, and a gorgeous clubhouse, which we serve dinner, lunch and dinner, and Sunday brunch every week. Anyone can join the club. There's different levels of membership. They just need to call me, email me, and I can get all the paperwork, applications and stuff. I really want to give people tours. I want to show.
We're all about a good field trip.
You mentioned there were 400 residents on the island.
Right.
Are they all golf members? And do you live there?
And cannot, you can, it's not a bundled community, so you don't have to join the club. Obviously, many people have on Cat Island.
Sure.
They've been really excited when we came out and resurrected the golf course.
Yeah, I bet.
You know, it went from the world's largest dog park to a beautiful golf course.
It did.
I love that. I love that.
Their property
Exactly.
It's been a tremendous change in property values. It's helped everybody over there.
Absolutely.
And that was something that was really exciting to see, because you know, people had recently purchased houses right before the golf course closed. And then all of a sudden they're living at a dog park, and now they've got a golf course again. And we're hearing about it from everybody.
And you know, you were saying that the food, the restaurant, talk to us a little bit about that, because that's
I've been pretty lucky to eat there a few times.
I haven't eaten there yet.
Michael's, he's there all the time.
and it's really, it's amazing. I mean, they're just doing a super job. We had lunch there not too long ago, and these sandwiches came out that were just massive and delicious, and they just are taking such good care of their membership. And that's really a cool thing to see.
Is there an event space there?
There is. We've got a banquet space there where we can do weddings and meetings and different things like that as well. But like Michael said, you know, the service levels, the people that are working out there are just off the charts. The team that we put together, amazing.
Phenomenal.
Amazing.
If people are interested in a field trip or coming for a tour, what do they need to do? How do they do that?
Just call me, call the club, ask for me, send me an email. We can set up a time for the tour. And you know, I tell people before they join the club, I really want to get to know them, get to meet them. I want it to be a good relationship where, you know, they will love the club and the club will love them back. You know, I mean, it's a place where it's not a typical country club where, you know, you have to wear a jacket everywhere you go. It's a very comfortable, casual club.
So it's a family-oriented place where really you are going to know your members, and it's a community, for lack of a better word.
It is, and it's a comfortable club. You know, we like to say that we want that to be our members' favorite place to be.
I love it. And on that note, thank you for joining us. You guys bring the most incredible guests.
We do.
Well, it's wonderful.
We've been very fortunate.
It opens up such a world for us here on Carolina Women and Men on the Couch. Stay with us.